Welcome to my channel Dirtbag Adventures. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Derek. I'm the goon you'll see in all of these videos. Usually you'll see me skirted in a kayak or stomping through the woods thinking I'm the modern Daniel Boone. Occasionally I'll post a gear review, basically all things outdoor on this channel. Please be warned, I do feature firearms, dead animals, raw meat, and from time to time you'll hear vulgar language. If you're triggered by those things, this channel is not for you.
What do you think? Go down a little bit and then kind of hit it from the middle to the outsides?
Yeah, just stomp through there if there's anything in there that wants to come out. Jump up a big 10 point laying on his belly.
Listen, we'll find a way to get it out of here.
Can you get right there? Whoa.
How was that up over your boot?
No, it was like here though.
Almost. Boots right there.
It feels a little too smooth to be old, but that's a piece of something. Piece of clay pottery, piece of porcelain.
Oh yeah.
It feels too smooth though, you know, like it was manufactured.
It's pretty strange.
A lot of the times too, what
It
you'll
looks
find,
like the same material of
Yeah.
that shit you just had. We came out here to a place in West Georgia, Northwest Georgia called Wilson Shoals, WMA, and doing a little hunting. Migratory bird for the most part, but I think later on this evening we may go back to the vehicles and grab the 22s and do a little bushy tail hunting. So we already came up from the ridge over here. We parked the car out by the shooting range, walked probably 3/4 of a mile across the creek, and now we're up on this ridge here overlooking this creek bottom. And you can see years ago someone had an old stand in that tree right there. But I think the main goal is doves. I've never done any bird hunting before, so it's kind of all new to me. And he was out here, Hunter was out here a week ago, and ran across some woodcock. So we're also looking for woodcock. So we're trying to wait for the sun to come up, warm up the woods a little bit, and maybe some animals will start moving around. Right now we're headed down this ridge. There's a clear cut back over there, and we're gonna go walk the clear cut and see if we can't flush any dove or rabbits or whatever will flush. Basically small game or migratory bird is game on right now. So you guys stay tuned. I'll bring you along for the adventure. It's so quiet over here. So I'm assuming small game, which I haven't ever done a lot of research because all I've ever small game hunted was squirrels, but I guess that would include raccoons.
Yeah, I don't know.
I guess that's where the
coyotes and hogs fall under it. You're allowed to use small game weapons for them during small game season.
So I guess that's probably where the 3-day limit raccoon comes in.
Probably just shooting them.
Just shooting them.
Yeah, because the other thing that I'm confused about is my assumption is if it doesn't say you can't do it, you can do it. In the sense, no, it'll make sense in a second. In the sense that there's no dates that say you're allowed to coon or squirrel or rabbit hunt with dogs. So my assumption is that you're allowed to do that with dogs during small game season unless otherwise
Posted. Yeah, that's what I see it as too. Yeah, this is pretty cool little knob right here.
And a last no purchase. But
Hell, they may be sitting in their trucks still.
clear cut over there. Like this down and this over there.
Holy crap. Look at all the clear cut land over there. Through the woods.
There's more back there.
Hell yeah.
I believe that's the road you have to take to get down to the place I saw the woodcock. I'd have to look at the map, but I think it is. You go down there, there's a road on the left called Chimney Road that's closed. There's an old chimney on the right side of the road.
I seen that on the map.
Sitting
The road.
in front of the chimney is where the woodcock is.
Sounds like a waterfall.
It might be, we might be going straight down through Wilson Shoals for all I know. We may have to find a way downstream a little bit too.
That's what I was wondering. Whoa.
Put my hand on the tree that didn't hold.
And I crossed that tree right there.
You can make it across it. How about it? You want to take your gun?
That's a big slide. Ow. What are you saying?
That'd be a good place to hang out here.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's only a little bit sketchy on that side where it was a little icy still. Wow. Heck yeah. Guess the best way to go around it is over there, huh?
Right there.
Go up and down.
Ooh, look at that beech tree.
I was just looking at that. That one might be bigger than the other one. Oh. Hello, little critters. That fucking thing's hollow all the way up. I mean,
So they grow 12 to 24 inches in height per year. Okay, this math isn't working out because it's either 5 years old or 720 years old.
It's got,
If it's 60 feet tall and it grows 12 inches per year, that means it's probably 60 years old.
Yeah, but that don't seem right either.
It's certainly not 720 years old. I think we can establish that.
I don't know, man. I would be willing to believe it was 720 years before I'd believe it's 60. I don't know if a tree gets that size in 60 years. All right, I'm making my way. Gotta figure out where to fucking cross at. Oh, yep.
Yeah.
Coming right off this bank. Yeah, at this point, better off walking the creek. Huh?
I said to you, accidentally sink in like I did at home.
Oh. Made it over to this clover field. We're flanking it. He's over there. I'm flanking the right side. We're gonna try to flush some birds or whatever we can. See what we can do. Breeze is blowing up here. Pretty cold.
Hold on. You are carrying a big weapon.
Fuck me.
Fucking stuck. Gotta call SAR. Where are you? I don't know. I'm in a brush. Oh. Right in the lip.
Well, we've been walking overgrown clear cuts most of the day. Trying to spook up some doves. And now that it's getting later in the evening, hopefully some woodcock. But I'm assuming this is what people would refer to by dove field. It's got these power poles with these lines that go across all the way across the field, and just essentially for birds to sit on and roost or whatever, sit up in the sun and get warm. And of course, I think it's still too cold. I think whatever flock was here last weekend already dipped and flew further south. So maybe another flock will come in the next week or two. But for now, I don't think we're gonna see any dove. But we got this big field here that I'm in. And then I just came from down there. Hunter should be coming up around the corner in a minute. But it's two big clover fields. That one down there is in a little worse condition than this one, and this one's in even worse condition than the one that we were at on the other side of the ridge a while ago. This one hadn't really had any pig activity, but that one down there had a bunch of pig activity in it. So right now we're just on our way back to the car. We're gonna get back over to the car, and then on the other side of the road, on the other side of the car, is another clear cut that we didn't know about. So we're gonna probably go walk that cut until dark. and see if we can scurry up any ground nesting birds on that side, or maybe run into a wild hog, pig, whatever. Bro, this is straight up fucking Briar City, son. I'm gonna try to skirt more around. I'm gonna try to go down around that pine tree and skirt around these briars.
Here to go over here and try and work back towards the road. Chill.
I kept seeing those shells earlier. Well, no dove, no woodcock, no squirrel. That's a wrap on this trip. Catch you guys on the next one.
Where they were here.
Derek here. I just wanted to say thanks for following along on today's adventure. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know what you liked, what you think I could do better, and any recommendations for videos you may want to see in the future. Once you've got that comment posted, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and then share the video link with your family and friends. Thanks again, guys.